everybody, Kristi B coming back at you. Today I'm going to try and do where they lay down the metallics and then rush the black all over it to make the pearls come up in the background. So today I will be using all deco art paints except for my Amsterdam Black Oxide, and they've all got Floetrol, and the black has Floetrol and water. So we have the garnet, we have the champagne gold, which is very pretty. Got the 24 karat gold, got the blue sapphire, I think that's what it's called. It's all deco art metallics. And the green deco art metallic. And these suckers sure tend to separate a lot, so you have to keep remixing them. So, let's get this party started. Where do I want to start? Some gold around. Some champagne. Come on. Some of the blue. Stick came with the out of it. Some of the garnet. Fill in some of my holes here. I haven't done the green yet. Have I? I don't think so. More champagne gold. This is my first attempt, so I want to make sure I have enough paint to fly over. Maybe a little more blue. Alrighty. Let's dump the black and make a damn mess. It's very thin. I hope it works. We're about to find out, aren't we? Here we go. I think that's plenty. Go to tilt. Come on, tilt. Starting to get specks already. I think I need to thin this black out just a little bit. See the spots starting to pop up? That's so cool. Like, badass. Oh, I lost my other stick over there. Okay, so I think now we wait. Ooh, look at them coming. Maybe I don't have it thin enough. Sure my corners are covered. want to touch my torch with these gloves. I don't want to take my gloves off. Here's the dried results of that one. It turned out pretty cool. I thought it'd sew up a lot more. But instead of having a black middle, like most people end up with, I got a black side. So, but there she is. Hit all them buttons. Like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you want me to do next. Anything. I see ya. Bye.